All right, welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today I'm just going to unbox the Galaxy S25 Ultra. All right, finally in my possession. It's been out for a while. Late to the party as usual. But I needed the update. I'm coming from the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I like to update my phones every 2 years. So I had the opportunity to get the S25 Ultra, so here it is. I'm not gonna really go through anything. I'm just gonna unbox it and show you a case that I got with it. The Rinky military case. And we'll wrap it up. So let's get the box open. So they give you the USB-C to USB-C. I missed the days of getting the brick, but I understand why they don't give the brick anymore. Okay, so some directions to eject your SIM eject tool, and that's it. I'm also surprised at how small the box is. Like, I guess the phone has gotten thinner and they're not giving you too much stuff anymore. So let's pull it out. It's in there pretty tight. Right, let's take off the protective paper. All right, so there it is. The Galaxy S25 Ultra. I like the fact that the screen doesn't curve across the edges anymore, so it's just a flat surface. Feels pretty much the same as my S23 Ultra, just a lot more flat. And let's show you the Rinky military case. So this is the Rinky military case that I got for it. It's about $23 Canadian, I believe, on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. The reason why I got this case, because I had the similar one for my S23. And this case took a beating, protected my phone like no other case before it. And it actually lasted 2 years straight. It didn't crack, it didn't break, didn't peel, and it survived. It's still good today. So I figured I would just go with the same one. Let's slide it in. Fits perfectly. Only thing is I didn't put my SIM in yet, so I'll do that after. And this is how it is, the Rinky case. I'll put the price in the description below. All the buttons feel good, nice and clicky. It's a little raised on the edges so that if you lay it down flat, it will protect the screen. And that's it. See if we have some power. Yeah, a little bit of power. All right, we're good to go. So that's it. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated Isolated with Technology. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.